Hi everyone, it's Amanda again. So the B.A.P video just came out, and I don't really know if I'm excited or not. I haven't quite decided on that yet. But I know it might be a ballad, I'm not sure. So I guess we'll see, and it just started playing, so yeah. My phone just went off. I don't know where it went. Anyways, so I guess we're going to react to this video today, so we'll see what it's like. I'm kind of excited. The green's the fandom color, I know that so far. They always start it with him. Beautiful. Jung-up singing. I think I just died a little. Oh, he's so beautiful. A chair. He broke a chair. Oh my god. They're all so beautiful. That is a ballad of sorts. I love John. I'm sorry, John. Holy hen-chan. He just lit a skull on fire. Baby. My child. His hair is perfect. Baby. Oh my god. He's so friggin' cute. Ah. I friggin' love Zelo. They're all in white and I'm dying and I love this dance, oh my god. I should really be in bed, but... Oh, this is so beautiful. They're covered in green. Why are they all, like, dying? Epic high notes again. Of course. Oh my god, I love this. This is gonna be one of those videos babies look back on and just question. As pretty as it is. I don't know, there's just something about this that feels like really substantial, like it's really important of sorts. It'll be the one video that all babies remember, for sure. Jungkook is perfect. I have decided that. Like, absolutely perfect. End of story. This is definitely going to be one of those, like, super important videos. But yeah. I don't know, I just get that feeling. It's something like... I don't know what to relate it to without making it sound far better and comparing it to something, like, extraordinary. But, like, I don't know, it almost reminds me of, like... I don't want to say neurotic, but it almost does. Kinda, not really. Kind of, not really. Yeah. So, I like the video. I don't exactly know what to say about it. I'm just kind of neutral about it, I think. I just know it's going to be something that we remember for sure. But yeah, I'm kind of excited about it. I love Jungkook, so it's like undescribably awesome that way. But Zelo's rap is perfect. Jungkook's actually singing for once. Kind of neutral on Youngjae and Daehyun just because they sing so much. Him-chan's line was perfect. Just I don't know, something about him is awesome too. I think I just love all the members. I don't really think I have a bias other than Jungkook. He's just like the favorite out of them all, you could say. Anyways, I'm babbling. So pretty much just like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Comment telling me what you guys want to see, if anything. I have some requests that I have yet to do, so I have to get to work on that. So, yeah. That's my excitement for the evening. I'm going to go to bed now because I have a class at 8:30 in the morning. So, I don't know why I'm still up. Anyways, I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.